up at HQ. This boy knows. As soon as I'm ready to get out here, he knows already. It's time to get rascal cracking. No joke thing. See them 2 bolts there? Where are they? Where are you? You little white lad. Fuck you. Shmoney. Shmoney. Welder up, done. Lovely. Get in there. All tacked up now. I'm gonna release that. Yeah. Gonna take the rest of the, I'll take the arm off now and weld it up. Clean back that little bit there. That's it, job done. And that's it, done. One of the biggest problems that I had on this chassis. Solid. Lovely. Big weight off my shoulders now. So one more final thing that I need to do. When I did this exhaust, I did it on the floor. So I couldn't really gauge the height. Well, I could, but I couldn't at the same time. So as you can see, it sits below chassis rail. And that V-band is not in a good place. So, a couple modifications. And that'll be sitting where it needs to. This was the version 1 of E46 3-inch stainless steel exhaust. A little bit scrappy. I did it a bit better on this one. Help at 8, my boy. Got it tucked up a bit more, so I just need to do the same on this one while I've got it on the ramp. And then it's just a nut and bolt check. And then send it off to get mapped. So the end of this chapter is really close, and a new chapter is going to be starting. Really looking forward to it, man. It's been a long time coming. Last couple mods.
The next day.
I had to take 30mm out of there. 30mm out there. Cut it here to clock it into the tunnel. Another bracket. Couple pie cuts there to make it meet where it was before, and then yeah, there are some MIG welds on it. I probably will redo this system at some point, but yeah, I just want to get out. So yeah, now it's all tacked together in its new position, and it's above the chassis rail now. Well, where the problem was, which was there where the V-band is. You see it? Nice and tucked up now. Probably cut that bolt, make it shorter. Same with that one there. Made that shorter as well. And then yeah, that's it, done. And that's it, let's get skiddy. Chapter is almost done. I'll take that mount off there. Yeah, almost done, man. So that's the modifications done. Everything's all welded up now. Yes, I MIG welded it. I ain't got no gas. Can't get into next door, so just wanted to get it done, man. So yeah, that's it all done. Had to get back on the car and then start going through nuts and bolts, checking everything's tight, and then yeah,